welcome back to Erica Rhennae 101 and Listen. Today is Saturday night and we're getting ready to vibe out. So I'm getting ready to go to the adult store so we can make some at-home margaritas tonight together. And you know, we're just gonna keep this thing going. I was supposed to go out to dinner with my sisters, my sorority sisters, but we ended up rescheduling for another time, which is totally fine, but my night is gonna continue anyway. But if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As I always say, it's a vibe over here. So I'll catch you when I get back from the store. Alright guys, so I have made it back from the store and we getting ready to get this at home margarita put together. So we have the margarita maker, we have the mixer, I have a frozen bag of tropical blend fruits. And this has pineapple, mango, strawberry, and papaya. And we couldn't do it without the tequila. So I got a bottle of Terramana. And I got another bottle of just some Smirnoff. But this is what we needed, some tequila. Alright guys, so I'm going to get this plugged in. And I'll be right back. Guys, so I'm over here trying to put this margarita maker together, looking for the power outlet source. So if you get this one, because I'm going to link it down below. Babe, show them where it was at. It was at the bottom, and we had to move this out the way, and it was curled up in there. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so since I finally found the plug, my fiance had to come over and help me, but I figured it out. But I probably would have never figured it out without him just now. Oh my gosh. Okay. So y'all, we got it plugged in. We got everything going. So let's get ready to make this margarita. Let's take the lid off. I guess we will start with, let's start with our fruits. Y'all, I'm so excited. It's ridiculous how excited I am. Okay. Boom. So this is a blend like I told you guys before. So I'm just going to add some stuff in here. I'm not even just going to think about what I'm adding. I'm just going to do it. Y'all, we winging this, but we're going to get it right. Okay. Put another strawberry. Boom. Oh, y'all, and I forgot to mention we do have some limes here as well. We have to have the limes, of course. So, okay, guys. So I have my mixer here. And I think we're going to start off with the strawberry one. Sorry for the noise, y'all. I had to take it out. Okay, y'all. We got the mixer out. I'm just going to throw this right here for a minute. Okay. So let's go ahead and put in our ice. I don't know how much ice is supposed to be. Like I said, I'm winging it. And I'm just going to add stuff as I need to add it, okay? It's gonna be good to us. All right, so like I said, we're gonna do the strawberry one first. So let me get that one out. Y'all, I'm so excited right now. Like, you guys don't know, I love a good margarita. Like, I'm a margarita girl, okay? And to be making it at home, I'm like thrilled, ecstatic. All right, so this is how it looks. The strawberry mixer. So I guess I'm just going to go ahead and pour this whole thing in here, y'all. I'm just going to pour it in there. I'm going to just pour it up in that mug. Okay. Ooh. 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 Yeah. Okay, y'all. I got to save up some memory, so I'll be right back. Hold on. All right, guys, so far we have the fruit in here. We have the mixer, the strawberry mixer. We have some ice. I don't know how much ice is supposed to be in here, but like I said, we're winging it, and it's going to be good. Okay? And we got the Terramana. And my fiance said put extra on it because he don't really like sweet. So we're going to put a little bit extra of this up in here. Hold on. He got to come on over here, baby. Come here, baby, so you can tap this bottom. I don't know if y'all do that, but before we open up drinks around here, we tap the bottom. Come over here, tap it, boo. All right, period. So, okay, we got it. So we getting ready to put this tomato up in that thing, y'all. I Y'all should not get this excited, but hey, I am. So I think that's enough. We ain't gotta put that much. Woo. Well, we gonna see what happens. Okay, we might need to put some ice. We might gotta put some and we're gonna squeeze a little bit of lime in here, y'all, just for the heck of it. A little bit of lime. Bless you, babe. Okay. All right, boom. Y'all, blooper. Look at the nails. So cute. I don't know if you guys can see it that good, but yeah. Okay. Now, we're gonna put this on. It was supposed to come with a margarita cup. Anyways, y'all, we ain't worried about that. I think it was supposed to. I don't know. But we get ready to press the blend button and let's see what happens. Ooh, baby, 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 baby. Okay, let's add a good little lime, y'all. Ooh, she fancy, she fancy. Oh my gosh. I think I did good for my first one. Let's just do 2, make it cute. Okay. Look at her. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. And we're gonna add in a scrub. So what y'all think? Let me try it. Ooh, good, y'all. Listen, I'll be back after I get this drink down. Okay, I'll be right back, y'all. All right, guys, me and my girl, we is about to take a cheers. Cheers. Oh wait, we're doing a video, y'all. Okay, I need to do one too. Hold on, let me get my phone. Hi guys, good morning. It is now Tuesday morning. I think last time we saw each other it was Saturday night. But it's Tuesday morning. I'm up. I'm pumped. I'm getting ready to go get my vote in. I need to go get some breakfast. I'm starving. What else I need to do? Target, and I need to work. So we have all these kind of things to do today. So I'm like, I'm just going to bring you guys with me. Let me hurry up because I want to get there before those lines get long, which is a good thing if they do. That means people are getting up and then getting out here and they're getting their vote in. But I will see you guys when we get there. All right, guys. So I have made it back from voting. Everything went good. I was in and out within 5 minutes. I am now at Target. So I'm going to run in here. Y'all, I don't know what I want to eat when I leave here. Like, I don't know if I want Chipotle. I don't know if I want to get the triple dipper from Chili's. I don't know if I want to get Jersey Mike's. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna run in here and go ahead and get our few little items that we need to get from here. Then we're gonna try to figure out what we're gonna eat before we get out of here. We'll get some to eat and then I'll be right back. I'll see you guys in Target. Oh, y'all, these are cute, right? I do need another one for the Christmas season. Okay. Y'all, I might have to get me one of these. I think I like this one though. It has like that like snow look on it, so I really like it. It's $20, not too bad. The other ones are like, well, this one is actually really cute too. I love that frosty look on them, like it looks like that snow is on it. It's super cute to me. What else they got? Okay. I did see some stuff that was kind of similar though online for a little bit cheaper. So I think I'm gonna just wait a little bit just in case. Alright guys, so we have made it back from Target, and I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a good little glimpse of the things that I got so you guys can kind of know what I like to use for my hygiene. I just kind of re-upped on the things that I'm kind of running low on. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and look up in this bag. I'm just going to put this down on the ground, on the floor. So I got the coconut and cocoa butter Dove. This is the restoring one, which I really love. If I don't get this one, I normally get the cucumber melon, which is really good. It gives a fresh scent, and this just gives like a coconut cocoa butter smell, which I just really love it. It just makes me feel really clean and just really good. Makes my skin feel well as well, so I love it. I just love it. This one has the brown top, so check it out, y'all. It's good. It really is. Alright, what else we got? We got the Coconut Radiant. This is the Vitalizing Body Oil with the Vaseline brand. I love to use this in conjunction with this. So once I get out the shower, I'll put this on as well. So in the winter months, I really focus on my skin and just trying to keep it moisturized, because you know that the weather is changing. And of course your skin changes a little bit as well, and it can get dry. So you don't want to just go through the whole winter with dry skin, and then by the time summer comes you're trying to exfoliate like crazy. So just keeping up with a good routine during the winter months is really good to do. So this I have not tried before. I got this from a TikTok girly, and I'm just super excited to try it. I heard that it goes great with these two together, so I'm gonna try that. I think this is the Being French line, and it's the cashmere vanilla. I tried it in the store. It smells really good, and I believe this is it's a hair, body, and linen mist. So I'm super excited to try this. I'm definitely going to let you guys know how this goes in conjunction with this. So moving right along, y'all. EOS, as you guys know, Holy Trinity. So this is the vanilla cashmere. I actually have not tried this one. The one I normally get, I think, is the pomegranate. And then I get the coconut waters one. So this one is new for me to try. I don't know. Lately, I've been really feeling like vanilla is becoming my new thing. And I didn't used to like the smell of vanilla too much. So as I'm getting older, vanilla scents are starting to really grow on me. So this one just smells so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. I want to smell it right now. Like right now. Y'all need to go get this one. Whew, it smells so good. I'm about to use this tonight. I'm not even joking. So yeah, the EOS brand is really good. This vanilla cashmere, super good. Smells good. I'm gonna be trying it tonight. So just moving right on along. TheraBreath. I normally get the cool mint one. This is the sparkle mint, and it comes in the pink bottle. So this is the anti-cavity one. So I'm super excited to try this one. I wanted to try something a little bit different, and I'm going to let you guys know how it goes. So it says helps fight cavities for 24 hours, strengthens teeth, enamel, and freshens breath. No alcohol with fluoride and non-burning. So all good things. So I will let you guys know how this one tastes in comparison to the other one. But yeah, moving right along. What else we got? So I always just get a thing of floss and the tongue scraper. I had more floss. I didn't have any more of my tongue scraper. So got some more of these. I think these weren't even nothing like $3 or $4, something like that. And it comes with 48 in the pack. So can't go wrong with that. So let me just go ahead and see how much this stuff was. So these are just the things that I needed to get. Like I also used some other products from Target, but I just didn't need to get them today. I still have plenty of it left. So I just got the things that I needed to re-up on. So all of these things that I got today came up to $56.01. $56.01. So not too bad. Like the highest thing that I got was $8.99, and that was the EOS lotion, which really isn't bad because a little bit goes a long way with this. So yeah, y'all, I don't know if you guys have not gotten into the Target Hygiene finds. You really need to, because I mean it really is, like, their products are really good there. I haven't had an issue with anything that I've gotten thus far from the things that I've just, you know, kind of gave you guys to go and get. But yeah, I absolutely love it. You guys need to go and try it if you haven't already tried it. So these are just some of my good Target finds that I love to use on my day-to-day. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up, but I will catch you guys on the next one. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, turn your post notifications on so you'll know every single time I upload. As I always say, it's a vibe over here. Catch you guys on the next one.